Okay, so we're going to continue on here. The dash power is controlled by the top left switch here, which unfortunately I turned the battery off on. Okay, so when you turn on the top right switch, that turns on your voltmeter and your trim gauge, so that as you trim or tilt the motor, that will show you where that's at. Your stereo is the next switch down. This is a Bluetooth stereo, so you can connect your phone to that. There is also a USB connector for the stereo and a auxiliary cord plug-in for it as well. And then on the other side, you have the RAM mount that actually holds your phone, and then there are two USB charge ports underneath that cover, so you can easily run a cord in there to charge your phone while you're out on the lake. And then these two switches are not hooked up to anything on this boat. The horn is on top, your navigation lights is down, courtesy light is the light that's on the side of the dash, and this accessory on the bottom does not do anything on this boat either. This is your power button here for the fish finder, and this is also a GPS unit, so this will show you your speed, and there's some different settings here you can use if you hit map and traditional. So this is, the left side is showing the boat on the lake, and then the right side is showing water temperature, miles per hour, battery voltage, and the time. So again, it's, if you're fishing with the boat, you can split this so that this is a full screen, or if you want to see more where you've been on the lake or anything like that, or mark any fishing spots, you can split the screen the other way so it's a full GPS screen. So there is paperwork and owner's manuals in the owner's manual package for this unit. To turn it off, just hold that power button on the bottom and then the screen will go black. Moving on to the bimini top here, I have the boot off of it already. And then you have the front top, which will zip in here and then pull forward. The one thing that we are missing due to part shortages are these black straps. So these are a set of used ones that we were able to get or locate. So depending on how you're using this, if you only have the rear top open, then use the strap here. If you have both tops open, move the strap to the front arm and then connect it here. You'll have to adjust the length on it, but that will then hold the entire top system open. And then also you have the extension for the lanai on the back here. You're going to want to zip that in to the canvas here and then stretch that over the back bar and then zip that on. So I think you had that before, but it's just a little tricky, and it's also best to zip all these tops together and then pull them tight and make any adjustments you need to make on them. So in the front you have your table and table leg. The base is not mounted, but it's in the owner's manual package, and you can mount that anywhere you choose, or we can mount it for you. There's the post for the top in here, and then on the other side is the actual mooring cover. This is the boot for the rear top, which I'll put on. And that should be about it. If you have any other questions, you can certainly ask Dave or myself, and we can go from there. enjoy the boat.